common race อีนามยองพาปนานาดูอุลมชิลลงกีมาดันพลังว่าเจมหานองกินดองกีว่าบังฮากีว่าคูกีเกรมปูบนกีชาทาพาวาคูน้องชองน้องคาตูสุมาริยากี
Hello everybody, good afternoon, good morning, good evening from where you are. It's your boy
from Northeast. It's
Africa family.
It's your boss Samsona, aka
No, Samson, I'm here with my boss,
aka Marabang.
aka Tupac
Shakur, aka Wamba. Okay?
Never mind these silliness, guys.
aka Wanju. Okay. So today we have suggested video by the title Meghalaya Homeland
of Clouds.
the Clouds,
Yeah.
produced by Josephas
Thongni.
Thongni. Yes, guys.
Yeah.
So humble request, kindly just subscribe, guys. Do it. It costs
Subscribe.
nothing.
Hit the like.
It will cost
Share.
you
And
nothing.
comment. Please, guys. Please, beg
Cost
you.
you nothing.
Support my brother ministry.
Okay?
Okay. Love from Africa.
Support this channel. We want to hit 50k, and we're coming to Shillong. We are coming to
Bless
see
some people.
Yeah, we are coming
Bless
soon,
some
guys.
People at the same time.
Yeah.
Visit the places.
Show some love. Subscribe. Put on the bell.
Alright.
Let's start.
Meghalaya Homeland
This is like-
of the clouds. That means all about the nature.
Yeah.
All about the nature, the clouds, the green
Now we're going to
places.
see the
Yeah, Meghalaya Homeland. This is a video from 1922 to 2022. It's like a highlight video.
นาดูเสียงคัดขึ้นได้เห็นยกพ่ออากุมกาจลังละอายบัวกาจิเส้นชานาโนดกาจาบัชาทีกะขับบังลาชาเตกำรุปนากังบาดกอปาราอาชิกชาเซปงีhap deng pat di khasi saki jantia sha dai sha mi parodia im hang ni kum shi para na du bagi wan shong ki long shua Meghalaya sweetest homeland of the clouds Living in your arms, we feel so proud. Khasi jantia, together you embrace. Lead us higher for every common race. อีนามยองพาปนานาดูอุลมชิลลงกีมาดันพลังว่าเจมหานองกินดองกีว่าบังฮากีว่าคูกีเกรมปูบนกีชาทาพาวาคูน้องชองน้องคาตูสุมาริยากีกานามกันเนชาดูบาเซมกัสนี
Umat hangkin jam lada kin jano haki long din wan angin syakno
Meghalaya sweetest homeland of the clouds
In the morning,
in your arms we feel
So I don't know how to sing.
there is
guys,
one
sorry.
place in Meghalaya, like I think from Shillong only. Morning time, like around 5 to 6.
People
If
will
you're
go.
passing, you will see the cloud, man. Like you will feel,
Like you can touch the clouds.
man, you will feel like the cloud is just
It's nearby.
It's just here. You just have to touch it. The fog would form so nice cloud,
Everywhere.
and people used to go there just to click picture.
Wow.
One time I was just passing by, but I saw a whale on the can, and it was so beautiful.
So you
That's
went
why
to
this-
Meghalaya before?
Yeah, that's why they say Meghalaya home of the cloud. They have so
clouds.
amazing cloud. Wow, let's
So proud Khasi Janja, together you embrace. Lead us higher for every coming race. Aja Thongni Chigapa kurangku hai gemacana. Kuan sakhi yongin kuan kumendida kuan benang kan prokna. Rutruwa chiba mana damsan aku kuselatna. Tawang China anga songsan leba oni na pauna. Halaki rompang, halaki jinglong, sha jinjanai nin ya be ya. Song one nigga Meghalaya, sweetest homeland of the clouds. Living in your arms, we feel so proud. Khasi Janja, together you embrace. Lead us higher for every coming race.
Actually, it's from the cloud.
Living in your arms, we feel so proud. Khasi Janja, together you embrace. Lead us higher for every coming
Don't worry, my guy. Well, this is the end of the video, guys. I really enjoyed it. We saw
so
the
amazing, so
nature of
inspiring.
Meghalaya.
How beautiful is it?
The place was nice, fantastic, full of crowds.
Yeah, this
And
is a peaceful place,
A
guys.
very peaceful place.
This is heaven on earth.
Heaven on earth.
Heaven in India. Heaven is in northeast, guys.
Just nearby
Yeah,
from our side here, right?
yeah.
There's a one plane.
So nice,
We will
guys.
land there.
Sponsored by Herbert G. Lyngdoh, Shri Sham Borlang,
Albert,
Shri Conrad,
Angkor,
Shri S. Warjiri, Shri Chap Leland. Thank you so much, our sponsors. We love it. We are so also proud to see that
And we enjoy
India
it.
or Northeast is such amazing and beautiful place. Peace out, love from Africa. Kindly subscribe, share with your family and people. See you till next time.
All right.